G'day folks. This video emptying out half of my Dutch buckets, getting them ready for winter. They had growth fleece of tomatoes in them. Didn't really do as good as the cherry tomatoes this year. So I'm pulling them out first from my system, and I thought I'd bring you along and give you a look at the root system and how I pull them out and get them ready for next system. For next plants. If you're new to the channel and like what I do at the end, hit that subscribe and YouTube will let you know when I'm uploading new videos. Hope everyone's staying safe, and let's get to it, folks. Okay, Dutch buckets. I'm going to remove half of my Dutch bucket tomatoes today and start getting ready for winter crops. We're getting towards the end of summer now, and I'm going to put some, I don't know, I think I might put some peas in these back ones and see how they go. So what I'm going to do is get all these tomatoes off and out, empty these buckets out and show you what's in them, how much root growth there was, and whether it blocked up the other pipe or not. So what I'm going to do is do that and see how we go, folks. Okay, all cleaned off, 2 tomatoes, got all my catches off. Now we'll start looking to see what's inside these rocks. Okay, I've cleared all the tomatoes out, and what we're going to do now is lift these dust buckets out, empty them out and get the roots out, tomato roots out, refill them ready to go for seed. So first thing we're going to do is empty them out into this bucket here and go from there. As you can see, that is the tomato roots. That's the tomato roots from that Dutch bucket. So there's really not that much root system in there, but they seem to grow really well in those buckets. So all I do now is I'll empty that straight back in. Alright, so that's my first bucket done. Roots cleaned out. I'll give you a look underneath. That's what's underneath my bucket, which goes into this drain hole here, and water drains back into my sump. So let's put that back on there. That one now is ready to go, which I'm happy with. So I'll do the rest of these. Okay, finished cleaning these out. They're ready to go for another season with a winter cropping. Next video will be on what seeds I'm planting for winter. Now these there's a hole just in here. These get zip tied back onto there, so they're down the middle like that. So that's it, guys. Finished cleaning out my half section of Dutch buckets and ready for planting for winter. Now, if you're new to the channel and like what I do, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell alongside it, and YouTube will let you know when I'm uploading a new video. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like button for the video, guys, please. Helps me a lot. There is a lot of other videos on my channel about aquaponics. Any questions, any help you need, just give us a message and I shall get back to you as quick as I can. Hope everyone is staying safe for COVID. We are now again today back in lockdown again for 5 days. I think this is just going to be the norm for a fair while by the looks. Okay folks, have a good day and I shall catch you later.